Navigating the overwhelming digital landscape, many feel managing social media is a daunting task. Crowdfire is here to rescue you from this challenge. With over 19 million users, Crowdfire stands as a trusted social media management platform. Let's explore what makes this tool a game-changer for digital marketers. Imagine having a personal command center for your social media needs. Crowdfire's intuitive dashboard seamlessly brings everything to your fingertips. From post scheduling to content discovery, Crowdfire automates key tasks for you. This means less time managing and more time strategizing your social media approach. How much could you achieve if you could cut your management time in half? Crowdfire's automation equips you to move with remarkable efficiency. Maintaining a steady stream of fresh, engaging content shouldn't be a struggle. Crowdfire's AI-powered engine curates relevant posts tailored to your audience. Your audience isn't limited to one platform, and neither should your content be. Crowdfire helps maintain brand consistency and effectiveness across multiple networks. Armed with powerful analytics, you can track performance and engagement across all platforms effortlessly. Understanding your audience becomes an actionable strategy. Crowdfire's flexible pricing ensures accessibility for all users, from individuals to large teams. Choose a plan that scales with your needs and budget today. Unlike its competitors, Crowdfire excels with superior content discovery and an intuitive interface. Join the ranks of successful brands transforming their social media presence now.